here, left-handed general here with another video. Actually, it's my first video, my bad. But, I mean, it's my first video on left-handed general. I got another pretty itsy-bitsy channel. We got, which I love, my subscribers, and Michael McMahon. He's got, matter of fact, it's actually funny. He's got this symbol, the Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas, the movie, my favorite movie. He's my favorite guy. I like Pumpkin Master. Oh my god, I love him. He's so cool. So here we've got Nerf Gun review. Yeah, Nerf Gun review. My Jordan shorts on. Alright. So here's my favorite sniper clip. We got the modulus base. Modulus is my favorite sniper. I know normally it's supposed to be a machine gun, but whatever. We got the retaliator, and then we've got this clip, 6-dart clip. We've got the classic retaliator clip, 12 darts, and here we've got the classic modulus clip, 10 darts. 10 darts. This holds 6. Oh, sorry, that was upset. 6. And then 12. 12 darts. So, we've got that. Boom. So now we're going to move on to the stocks. We've got right here, we've got this nice retaliator stock. Perfectly steady, like that. This is my less favorite modulus stock. Because here, the modulus stock, it's, I don't know what it's called. It's really ridiculously wiggly. We've got here the grip. Nice retaliator grip. And then we've got the modulus stock. Love the modulus stock. Just kidding, I hate it. Nah, I don't hate it, but I like the retaliator stock better. Nice retaliator stock. We've got the scope. Get you a first-person view of it. That's how it looks. And then we've got the bases I already showed you. So, I'll be back after I build these guns. Alright guys, we're back. So, here we've got, oh my god, I love it so much. I love it so much. It is beautiful. Let me show you guys. Oh, I love it so much. Yeah. Oh, the darts in. Yeah, love it. And with this, I forgot to tell you this, but look. Got yourself that aim there. I forgot to tell you that with this barrel. You can either hold it like that. That's nice. Got that nice. There, right there. I'm gonna real quick. Yes. might give you first person view with this too. That's the first person view for that. You could also do it like that. That's nice. But also you can give it quite a bit more range. Do that. And then here we've got the wobbly cadoodle. I call it that because of this. But here we've got this, the wobbly cadoodle. The crazy sound. That's how you do it. Got this. As you can see, you get, so as you're shooting, say like you run out of bullets, then you could just real quick switch like that. Oh, get in the cover, pull out of the back stock. And once you're out of, and technically once you're out of bullets in a Nerf 4, you're pretty much screwed. But whatever. So yeah, we've got that. This clip for backup. Got 12 dart clip for me. It's got a nice there. You already saw the first person for this scope. I'll show you again. There. Bang! Oh. But yeah, you got this nice thing right here. The only thing I don't like about this is this wobbly stock. Ready? Look at that wobbly stock. So like, you're sitting here like, oh yeah. Like, seriously, like, wiggle. It's like, wiggle, yeah. Wiggle, yeah. What you gonna do when I remember? But, yeah, see you guys in the next video, and Roger out. Left-handed general, off the battlefield.